narinig po namin sa television, sinasabi nyo sa interview nyo dahil tinanong kayo kung anong naging gateway para gumanda ang buhay nyo. Sabi nyo kayo hindi naman nakakaangat nung araw. At tapos sabi ninyo ay noong DPWH na kami. Yun po yung sagot ninyo So, at tinanong kung magkano at sabi nyo bilyon.
When I said DPWH, because prior to that, we were in local government. So ang hirap makasingil sa local government. They spliced the video that was taken of me and just mentioned the DPWH. So contractor na po kami for 23 years.
So you're saying...
Hindi kami maniniwala niyan, wala kayong kilala sa DPWH.
Meron ako yung mga engineer, yung mga district engineers siya, pero hindi po sila nagbibigay ng project po sa akin.
Sabi niyo po kasi sa kanila nung interview, 40, ngayon 28. Ilan ba talaga ang sasakyan niyo?
Kasi kasama pa yung mga service cars ng mga employees ko that is owned by the companies.
For St. Timothy, which you also own, it was found out by the President that the 2023 Bulacan River project amounting to 96.4 million was deemed completed even in more than 200 meters of revetment were not built. St. Timothy's pickup license was also renewed 2025 to 2027.
The blacklist that was issued by the DPWH, Your Honor, has certain time limitations. So, once a notice that the project has been completed, then the blacklist is lifted.
Sabihin, pag walang nagko-complain, sige lang na sige.
Do you believe, you support
Yes.
the statement of the
Yes,
former
po, Your
Secretary
Honor.
that indeed there are ghost projects?
Yes, Your Honor.
And can you identify those contractors who are involved in these ghost projects?
Hindi ko pa po alam dahil may nag-audit po.